Okay, I actually made it. 1937, and that thing right there is bigger than any building I've ever stood next to. This whole thing is held up by gas and hope. Nobody's stopping me. I just walked past 3 uniformed guys like I belong here.
It's so quiet in here. Like walking inside a whale made of metal and fabric. We're moving. I swear I can't feel it at all. No shaking, no engine roar fees. The ground is just quietly falling away. You can actually see the engines from here. Little propellers just spinning away, keeping this whole silver whale in the sky. This is the promenade deck. Look at these windows. They're angled on purpose so you can look straight down at the world.
That's a real river down there, and real fields, and I am floating above all of it in a machine from the 1930s. They put an actual piano in here. On an airship. Look at these hand-painted walls, Gray. Someone actually sat and painted birds on an aircraft. Okay, this man is just casually playing piano mid-flight like it's completely normal. This is the dining room. Real linen tablecloths, hand-painted silk murals, and I just watched a waiter serve 5 plates without spilling a single drop. Gold trim on the plates. On an airship. In 1937. I have so many questions.
So what brings you aboard, if you don't mind my asking? Oh, just passing through.
Long story.
And this is my room. No windows, because apparently those are a luxury reserved for hallways. Smaller than my bathroom back home.
Honestly, I love it. It's cozy, very flying dollhouse energy.
You have to go through an actual airlock to smoke in here. That should tell you something.
We are surrounded by hydrogen gas. And somewhere on this exact ship, there is a room where people are allowed to smoke.
Okay, I need everyone back home to see this sunset. Genuinely unfair that this existed before Instagram.
It's completely silent up here at night. No turbulence, no plane engine roar. Just stars and this tiny hum underneath everything.
That's an entire city down there, going about its normal 1930s day, with zero idea there's a girl from the future watching from above.
Can I see where you all actually fly this thing from? I promise I won't touch anything.
Follow me, but keep your hands to yourself.
We're going deep into the actual skeleton of this thing right now.
This is it, the actual cockpit. No screens, no computers, what? Just levers, gauges, and a lot of very calm men.
You can making excellent time. Welcome to my cabin.
Okay, I want to see the whole landing process. This feels like a once-in-a-lifetime thing to film.
How many times have you actually landed one of these?
More than I can count, miss. She's gentler than she looks.
He's walking me through how they actually steer this thing. It's basically all hand-cranked wheels and a lot of trust.
We've been over open ocean for hours now. Just water, sky, and this enormous quiet machine carrying all of us across it.
Sun's going down. I think we're getting close to landing. There's the landing field. Look how tiny everyone looks from up here. They're dropping the lines now. This is actually happening. We're landing.
Look at all of them down there, guiding this giant thing home by hand. No radar, no computers, just rope and teamwork.
I genuinely don't want this flight to end. I don't think I'll ever see anything like this again.
Almost down. This is the calmest landing I could have imagined for something this massive.
Touching down in 1937. Genuinely one of the best days of my entire life, and I've lived through a few centuries at this point. That's the whole trip. Wish you all could have seen it in person. Anyway, that's my 1937 story. Thanks for coming along for the ride.